Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdullah Firdaus. I am lecturer of postgraduate program at Islamic State University of Sultan Taha Saifuddin, Jambi, Indonesia. I am presenting on behalf of our research team. I am going to present about our research, which is supposed to be presented at Asian Education Symposium 2020, but because of current pandemic, that it is presented virtually. The title of our research is Iqbal Interpreting the Spiritual Dimension of Islam in the Educational Aspect.
Interpreting the spiritual dimension of Islam in the educational aspects, the background and the purpose of the research. The aspect of spirituality become an important point in religious behavior and simultaneously imaging a religious integrity. As a system of building a spirituality of a human being, Sufism was also involved in contributing a social value within communities as well as an education did. Sufism, in its means, was so much related practically to what a system of education sounds toward building an individual character and a social life as well. This research was determined to explore the mutual impact of a Sufism and education toward building the spirituality of a human being and his emotional, intellectual aspect within his environment. Methodology. The study used a qualitative research with data collection techniques was literature review. The main source of data in this research was information, both in the form of manual text and digital text. The main theory that related to Islam dynamism and education used the theory from Iqbal, 1930, and the theory of spiritualism from Nicholson, 2007. Technique of data analysis was content analysis approach. However, the analysis activities in this study were carried out together with the data collection activities, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion of results research. The result and the discussion. The spiritual dimension of Islam was in line with the educational purpose. Iqbal believes that religion should be a source of inspiration and power which should be conquer the world. Scriptural texts always connect between logical reasoning and the natural phenomena and the universe. In this context, the spiritual and social aspect of a person have integrated relationship to one another. In implementing this concept, Iqbal created the steps which are started from self-understanding, Khudi, and society, Bikhudi, which is conducted by sharpening the education or the intellectual power of the Muslim through the introduction of history and the experiences of the earliest Muslim. The power of Sufism lies in the clarity of mind, the strength of heart and soul that is proactively involved in establishing the real world, the implementation of tafakkur and struggle of values in order to find the ideal value for social life. In this context, science and spiritual, individual and community are in connection between each other in order to translate the ideal of Islam. That's why strengthening the intellectual aspect must be in line with the awareness and appropriate religious understanding. Conclusion. The spiritual dimension will be meaningful if it is manifested in a social work frame along with an education purposes. Tawhid, the oneness of God, and the messages of Prophet Muhammad are the sources spiritual and intellectual power due to gain a perfect personality, Khudi, and a social matter, Bikhudi. The result of this study indicated that Sufism and education as a system of building spiritual and intellectual aspect of a human being and its ideal sense didn't only reflect the complete intimacy of a Muslim with his God through the assertion of Khudi, but also it manifests the creativity and contribution believers in social aspect, Bikhudi, which was based on religious values and the spirit of truth. Thank you.